Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add members to Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to earn money. To adding members to Wix website, we have to add a members area. So for that, click on add and click on search and search here member, and then you will get this option Wix members area. So click on it and click on add to site, and here you can see the member area has been added to my Wix website. And now I'm clicking on preview, and now if someone click on this profile icon, and they will be able to create a account on your Wix website. So this is how we can add member to Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to earn money. Thank you for watching.